Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your productivity with Starbucks. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by choosing your ideal Starbucks location. Look for a store that has a comfortable atmosphere conducive to working. Consider visiting during off-peak hours for a quieter environment. Next, make a plan for what you want to achieve during your visit. Create a list of tasks or goals to focus on while you're there. Once you arrive, order your favorite drink to energize yourself. Don't shy away from trying a new drink that might inspire creativity. Find a cozy spot with ample seating and a power outlet if needed. Settle in and log onto the Wi-Fi if your tasks require internet access. Put on noise-canceling headphones to block out distractions around you. Organize your workspace by unpacking your materials and arranging them neatly. Use a time management technique, like the Pomodoro technique, to stay focused. Work in bursts of 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break for maximum productivity. During your breaks, stretch or take a quick walk to refresh your mind. Consider using the break time to enjoy a snack or another small treat from the menu. Limit your social media usage during your work session to boost concentration. Stay hydrated by drinking water alongside your coffee or tea. If you feel stuck, step outside for a breath of fresh air to clear your mind. After completing your tasks, take a moment to reflect on your accomplishments. Evaluate what worked well and what could be improved for next time. Before leaving, tidy your space to respect the environment. Finally, make it a habit to revisit Starbucks regularly as part of your productivity routine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.